Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Supabase data backups for your no-code platform build, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Supabase data backups for your no-code platform, begin by logging into your Supabase account. Navigate to the project dashboard of the specific project you want to restore. Select the database option from the left-hand menu. Once in the database section, find the Backups tab. Click on the Backups tab to view all available backups for your project. Identify the backup you wish to restore from the list provided. Check the date and time of each backup to ensure you are selecting the correct one. Click the Restore button next to the desired backup. A confirmation dialog will appear, outlining the implications of restoring the backup. Review the message to ensure you fully understand the process. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes, Restore. The restoration process will now begin, which may take several moments. You will receive a notification once the restoration is complete. After the process is complete, navigate back to your project dashboard. Check your database to confirm that the data has been restored correctly. If everything appears as expected, you have successfully restored your Supabase data backup. Explore your project to ensure all functionalities are operational. If any issues arise, consult the Supabase documentation or support resources for troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.